chance now, baby, but I'll never let you in again.
Alright.
Okay, everyone.
First video ever. Julia's attempt.
We're gonna eat per many people's requests. Many. And then we're gonna answer the questions. Okay, first question. Look at. Can you describe the first date you guys had together?
First day we had together?
Uh-huh. First date.
Date?
Mm-hmm.
First date?
Mm-hmm. First date? First date! First date!
Was it when we borrowed Brian's car and went to the movies? So it was a second date. Oh no. First date! Not Kingsman.
OMG, are you
It is
serious?
it's over 4.5 years ago, right? Wait, first date. Okay, give me a hint.
What do you mean?
Where did we go? Please give me a reminder.
Huh?
Please give me a reminder.
We went to the steakhouse.
Okay, that's what I said. I said didn't we borrow Brian's car and then
Yeah, next question.
Next question. Thank you.
Washington, California, or Indiana? I'm California for sure.
Yeah, California for sure. But short term goals, I want to be in Washington.
No, Indiana.
Yeah, no shot. Not going back to the Midwest.
Already asked. Do you guys miss me and why?
Nah. Yeah, of course. I always miss Eddie. Because of our long nights that we would just stay up, drinking wine, talking,
For
sleeping
years.
together on the same bed for years as roommates.
He misses you, Eddie.
No. Hello, we are back. So Julia was too excited filming for the first time, and she did camera. And we had something called Titan. I've never before, but trying something new because she requested for a while now. Cannot find it.
So we'll try it out first.
Okay.
And then we'll answer questions.
Okay.
Did you want to take a picture?
No, it's alright. Oh, look, the meat just falls right off the bone. Yo! That's good. Freaking fire. So soft!
What is your favorite breed of dog?
Small dog, Westie. I have a Westie at the moment. I love Westies. Big dog. I love German Shepherds, but they shed too much. So I don't know if I can handle it. But if I were to get a big dog, I would want a black lab.
Really?
Yeah. For a big dog.
I don't know. Stupid. Favorite season fashion and why? Favorite?
Fall.
Me too. Fall. Why?
Fall is my favorite season. My favorite weather is 60s, if you know me. 60s and breezy. I love the light wind. And I love wearing hoodies.
Man bun for James, yay or nay?
Yay.
Nay. Andrew asks, do you love me and Mina enough to move to Dallas?
Oh.
Yes. Yeah. I love Mina.
What about Andrew? Andrew, you heard that, right?
No, I don't mind Dallas, even though I've never been there. As long as
Mina,
you guys are there, I'm coming.
she's solely willing to move to Dallas for you. She doesn't even know what it's like,
And we
but
met
she's willing to
once,
move.
but-
Yeah, and you guys met once. Dallas, it would be hard it would be awesome having Andrew and Mina, but I don't know if I can do that heat. Because I like the nice and cool weather. But that heat, I don't know if I can do it. I don't know.
No? You don't,
As
you don't love Andrew.
I love Andrew.
But you're not enough to move. Sorry.
Yeah, maybe we gotta visit Dallas one more time to see.
So sorry. Relationship tips. How do you keep a strong and healthy relationship?
Strong and healthy relationship.
Do we have a strong and healthy relationship?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. How? How do we do that?
I think number one is trust. I think I trust you in like any situation. So there's no room for doubting or like arguments in that way. And for us, being Christians is a huge thing. It's a big part of our life. And I like having someone who's also a believer themselves, which helps me stay in check more than anything. What are you?
I think trust too. And I think having time away from each other.
Oh yeah, that's important.
And like doing our own things with like our own friends. And not just always being together. Also your favorite, putting yourselves in the other person's
Oh yeah,
shoes.
I preached that to Julia in the early stages of our relationship.
Yeah, because I'm selfish. And so I want to do whatever I want. And then I don't know that it hurts James. So I have to think again to see how I would feel
Yeah.
if you did that to me. Will you ever switch back to iPhone?
Yeah, I'm not set on like Android, but I do like changes. I love changes. So I get bored of things pretty easily. So I always go iPhone, Android, iPhone, Android, iPhone, Android. And then for my next one, if the iPhone's up to date and it's up to par with, you know, all the newer technology, I go back. I don't mind it. How about you? Would you go back to iPhone?
I don't think so.
Oh,
This
okay.
is my first Android. It's a Google Pixel.
Pixel
And
3.
I've always had an iPhone. But everything about it is just more high tech.
Wow.
So
Yo, next time you catch her with an iPhone, roast her.
can you, Jules, and James make a duet?
Duet?
Duet.
Yeah. Yeah. We actually really enjoy it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like singing together, playing music together.
What is the most embarrassing story about James Park? Question mark, question mark. Embarrassing story? So Purdue had a really nice dining court. And I was a freshman, so James asked me, or I let him in. I swiped him in, and we had our like first like unofficial dinner together. And there was like a make your own pasta bar where you can like choose like what you want, and then they like make it for you. And then James is like so cool at this time because I don't know anything about him yet. And then he's like choosing his like vegetable options, and then he says, "Oh, can I get some like mushroom and then cucumbers?" There's no cucumbers. And then the guy was like, "What?"
What?
You're like,
I was right there,
"Yeah, cucumbers." But I wasn't like close to you to like correct you. I just kind of like laughed under. But it was zucchini because you don't put cucumber in pasta. But that's his preference. Pasta with cucumber.
Okay. I didn't even think about it. Like honestly, yeah. Now I think about it, it sounds weird.
Yeah,
Putting
no,
cucumber in a
zucchini
pasta.
might have looked like cucumber.
Yeah.
But why did you want cucumber in
No,
your pasta?
no, I didn't think. I just saw the green thing and I was like, oh, that's probably healthy.
Cucumber.
Just a cucumber.
The cucumber in
as
my
pea.
pasta. That's the end, unfortunately. Well, thank you for watching this video. We'll see you soon.
Yeah, thanks for watching and asking so many questions.